Uttara, at the heart of Dhaka city, is home to many places to eat. That being said, there is not one place where you cannot find a good spot. Some mainstream, yet some hidden gems are still out there, which needs to have some light shade onto them.
Nestled at the heart of Uttara, we are at an underrated gem named as Tunnel. Not all restaurants have great luck relying in popularity. Some are lucky enough to have people around them who will pull them up at the entrance and wear out. However, during the COVID outbreak, some of them were flecked off. But what is it actually brings in such immense popularity for a restaurant? Many have asked and are still searching for answers. But it is very tricky yet worth it to attempt to be able to implement the best marketing tactics. But nothing to worry about, as we at ASL BPO have figured out this for you. Today, ASL BPO elaborates on how a restaurant can opt off digital marketing wonders, which will be sure flip their script. It is essential to keep track of the following tactics to bring in more customer and gain popularity. How restaurants implement digital marketing. There are many ways. Let's now understand those. The very first one is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very feasible way to increase customer engagement. Traditional means of popularizing a restaurant are almost impossible to capitalize on given the current market saturation. Next is the social media platform. Restaurant can use social media platforms to showcase their menu, post pictures and videos of their food, run promotion and deals, and interact with the customer through contact and direct messaging. Local search engine optimization, or as we say, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website to improve its ranking on search engine result pages. Restaurants can optimize their websites for local search by placing relevant keywords. Next is paid advertising, which involves placing ads on search engine result pages or social media platforms and paying each time a user clicks on the ad. By saying this, I'm actually very hungry right now, and so I do need to see the menu, right? Let's go and see the menu. Menu or graphical illustration. In digital marketing, we say that restaurants can promote their food menu with promotions and deals and drive traffic to their website or social media to handle with delicious looking foods. Next is email marketing. In email marketing, restaurants can stay in touch with their customers, keep them informed of new menu items, promotions and events, and even use email marketing platform to send targeted message to their subscribers. Last but not least is teaming up with a delivery platform. It will be a greater rate popularity and will be also a great way to maximize a restaurant's outreach. Let's now dive into a number of benefits that digital marketing with ASL BPO can bring you. Reach a wider audience. With digital marketing, business can reach a wider audience with the help of our social media, search engines, email, and display advertising services. Cost effective. Digital marketing is often more cost effective than traditional marketing methods such as print or TV multimedia advertising. We offer flexible trials as well as great value for money with guaranteed result. Targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows business to target their advertising to specific audiences. This targeted approach can help businesses reach the right customers. Measurable results. Digital marketing campaign can be easily tracked and measured, allowing business to optimize campaigns for better results. Increased engagements. Digital marketing platforms such as social media and email marketing offers opportunity and businesses to engage with customers. Overall, a successful digital marketing strategies for a popular restaurant should include a mix of these factors to reach and engage with customers across multiple channels. So, What are you waiting for? Are you ready to take your digital marketing to the next level? Let ASL BPO help you achieve your goals with our flexible digital marketing services. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and see how we can help you grow your business online.